Greetings Mac users and YouTube. This is Deepak from Hyderabad, India, a certified Apple computer specialist. So now today I am just going to give you a small tip on how to manage this stuff on your Mac, which says system, which is occupying about 81.13 GB on my system, on my Mac, basically internet drive. So what is this system is all about? So this system is basically the system junk, which is comprising of the cache files and also the leftover files of whenever you install a software and uninstall a software. When you uninstall a software, it doesn't completely gets out of your computer, but still there are some leftover files of that particular software. So how do we manage this? So there are so many third-party softwares which says that they'll clear your junk and all, but still what is my personal experience in clearing this system occupying space and all? So let's just go about it. So how to do that? First thing you need to do is go to your Finder menu bar, go to Go. After going to Go, and when the drop down menu comes out, toggle Option key on your keyboard, which shows library here. See, hit on library. So this folder pops up, this folder comes up, and find the folder which says caches. It's here, and let's see how much is it occupying. So this is occupying about 44.91, close to 45 GB on my internal storage. So how do we get rid of this? So what usually people do, you can hit Command Delete on your keyboard. It goes into the trash, right? So what people do, they empty the trash using this button. So when you empty the trash, it gives a sound of a paper getting crushed and icons getting vanished from here. So what people usually think, your trash is empty, your free space has been freed. But what it actually does, it is not deleting or freeing up your space, but instead it is making the icons here getting disappeared, and this particular data is stored on your internal drive in some other location. So in future, whenever you use a data recovery software by any chance, and if you recover the data which you feel it's needed for you when your computer crashes or something like that, you will get the files which are deleted using this empty button here. There was an option in macOS Yosemite, till macOS Yosemite or El Capitan, which used to say in advanced panel, there used to be an option here called Secure Empty Trash. It used to be a checkbox like this, but after El Capitan or macOS Sierra, we are unable to find that option. So what that option usually does, when you select the Secure Empty Trash button, so here when it says empty, where it says empty, it says empty securely. So what it does, it deletes the trash once and for all from your computer, which is unrecoverable. So that was an option which we had till macOS Yosemite, sorry. After that we couldn't find that option, and I did a lot of research which says that that option was only till macOS Yosemite. So after that I discovered a new way of deleting files permanently from our Mac computer. How do we do that? So go to Launchpad. So sorry, I don't have a Launchpad here. So you can go here and go to Other. Click on Other. Go to Terminal. Open the terminal window. So one more way to do this is go to here on the top right side. You can see a magnifying glass icon. Click on it. So it says Spotlight Search. So basically you can search whatever you have on your Mac. Sorry. So basically you can search on your Mac for whatever you're looking for. So you can type in your terminal. So it pops up. hit enter, terminal window opens, and make a note of this command which I am typing in. It says sudo sudo space small r small m space hyphen capital R. Sudo space rm space hyphen capital R, and you should also leave a single space after capital R. And what to do now? Drag this particular folder, which is caches, onto the terminal window. You got it? Now observe what happens here. So now I'm going back to my about this Mac and storage. So this says 44 GB in trash, 36 GB in system. It says 257.91 GB available out of 612 GB. So get back to the terminal window. After dragging and dropping whatever you want to delete, hit enter. It will prompt you for the password. Enter your password and hit enter. It will not show anything here, but it still keeps the thing going. So previously it was saying some 250 something. So now it says 302 GB available. That means whatever system was left on my Mac has been disappeared and has been deleted permanently from my Mac, freeing whatever space it was occupying, close to 44 or 45 GB. So this is the way how you can clear your caches from your Mac computers using terminal. So make a note of this command, sudo space rm space hyphen capital R space, and after the space just drag and drop whatever you want to delete from your Mac. This particular command deletes stuff from your Mac permanently. So instead of using this thing here, using this thing empty, so you can use this thing on your Mac. Whoever is using Mac OS El Capitan and the higher versions, for deleting stuff permanently from your Mac. So I hope this video was helpful for you in clearing your caches and whatever junk was been sitting in your Mac for a while. Thank you so much. See you next time.